This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Friday, June 3rd, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at DEJ Energy. This is an AMEX listed stock trading our ticker DEJ. Real quick, we can see a nice base formed here around 29 cents. Big climb up to 53. It's pulled back significantly, made a higher low, now pushed back above the 200-day moving average. Decent day yesterday, up 1.95%, 285,000 shares traded. Looks like that's about average volumes, perhaps slightly less than normal. So you got a bullish cross signal line being broken. MACD still trying to trend upward. Similarly with PPO, of course, there's a big retrace, and the price per share at that 50-cent mark pulled all the way back, and see this MACD, everything sliding back downward. Looks like it's trying to put itself together a new uptrend at this point. Not getting very much from the ADX, very neutral. All three pinned together. ADX itself still in a little bit of a downtrend, breaking into a trading pattern. That could be a positive sign that we're seeing a trend come to an end. So if it's going to move back upward, what we'll see is a curl of the ADX and a trend start tapping back towards 30. MFIs are in a pretty nice position, still all bunched together, right there around 50. A little bit of sideways trend going on with the longer terms, but they look like they're trending slightly uphill. Accumulation distribution does have a nice upward trend. Need to see it break through that area, try and make a new high. Shaking money flow, holding in the green, showing that buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure at this point, primarily in the green for the last few months. Even with the downward trend, so that's a pretty good thing to see. Commodity channel, of course, trending upward. A lot of these indicators are certainly around the neutral area, but definitely leaning towards the bullish side. Looks like it's going to try and come back off that bottom. Full stow moving upward, making higher highs, holding over top of 50. Showing momentum in the play. And of course, we're getting a bullish cross of the tricks as well. RSI is moving right along with everything else. Longer terms, making some higher highs, trying to break through 50. Of course, that's a key area for it. Just to reiterate, you see through here, over top of 50, price per share moving up. Break back down through 50, price per share moving down. So it's a key component for these longer terms to get over top of 50 and trade on the upper half of that indicator. As I mentioned, very bottom support down there. Not looking for that at this point. I'd like to see it hold this 200-day. Just over 34 cents. Picks up a little bit of recent price per share support there as well. So that's a mark I'm having my eye on in the near term. As far as resistance, it's a little bit congested through here. You can see it's kind of all over the place. That 38-cent mark looks like it's a pretty tough spot. 37 and 38 was a clear breakout point earlier on this year. It was tough resistance at the end of 2010. There's the 50-day moving average also coming into play there. You can see it's at 38.5 right now. So I'd really look for that resistance to stiffen up around 38 cents. Then I'd look for that 45-cent mark. So it's got a pretty decent upside to it, closing at 36 cents. If it can continue to hold these new trends that are being established and break through that resistance. So these are things I'm going to have my eye on with the DEJ chart in the near future. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.